The question tonight is, will Joey Esports follow the way of the other Orem finalists? And it all comes down to this. Despite them both landing on the objective at the same time, it will be Joey Esports taking control. Oh, the shatter! Jeff Bob waiting! Ryan comes in with the meteor strike, so does Fusey though! And in a very definitive first map, Joey Esports takes the Zhang Tower.
Heroics coming out here from Kansas.
3v1 Astro, you good, but you ain't that good. And it's a draw Nomura once again. Keeps trying to separate them out, but keeps being unsuccessful. Can't hold a good monkey down, folks. The Blizzard, the Graviton, the Pulse Bomb, all coming in. Everybody is so low for Joey Esports, but the cleanup just isn't there. And a winter wasteland, not wonderland, as we see Joey Esports lock down the final objective, take away the victory on Hollywood, and lock down that second point in their 2-0 series.
Really good forward hold here for Joey Esports.
Right, looking for that shatter. Ready with a shatter of their own. Shatter finds Brian under the card. The Gravitic flush 5-3. They gotta take down the ammo. It's not gonna be able to do it. Just comes in for celebration as Joey Esports says, yeah, yet we will not allow you to get past first point. Ooh, that's a great couple of picks there to start things off. Yeah, able to take well in their control, 199 as we continue here on Elite. Are continuing to lock down this objective, and there is nothing that seems to stop them. Swinging and electrocuting away. It doesn't matter who QZ sends over the side. That's going to be good for Nya as they take control at the 99. Down to the Whittle QZ on the objective. They got to take that monkey down. Nya, the brooms are here. They're ready to sweep Joey under the rug as they put a point on the board. And that's going to be the payload moving once again. A Dragon Strike goes in, and the High Noon to try to counter it. It's nothing but shield. The shatter, though. GW comes in hot, fast, and heavy.
Really, really good job from down there to decisively win that fight. That's exactly what they needed.
The Blizzard tries to come in from Crimson, but there's not enough damage to lock it down. The Marsupial Org takes away another victory, claiming the Harmony and Discord tiers as Joey Esports walks away with Kings Row, walks away with the grand finals in this 4-1 match against Nya.